Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Guys, for those who are new to this channel, my name is Chebet. If it's your first time to click on this video, you're welcome. And it's almost a year now ever since I started my YouTube channel. Okay, I started this channel last year, I think on December. Yeah, last year December, and right now we are in November. So like it's almost a year ever since we started this channel, and I really thank God for this far that we've come, because it hasn't been easy. It has been God. Yeah. And all throughout the year there are products that I have been using, like for beauty, skincare, personal use. Yeah, there are products that I have been using all throughout the year, and I decided, like, why should I not share these products with you? I mean, it might be useful also to you. And so I'll be doing a series of videos whereby I'll be doing product reviews of different products that I've been using. Yeah, I decided, like, let me share this with you because it might be useful also to you, because personally it has worked for me. So yeah, I think it might. On today's video, I'll be doing a product review of my best foundation of the year. This foundation here, it has been my best foundation of the year, and I'm having two shades of this foundation. I have this and also this, the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Yeah, so personally I always use this one. According to this foundation, it's written is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, that is the foundation plus concealer. And according to this, the inscriptions written here, it's written it's medium to full coverage. It's lightweight, it's oil-free formula, and it's sweat proof. Yeah, and so today I'll be giving you my personal review on, as in my personal experience on how I've experienced this foundation. So guys, let's get onto this video and let's see if it's really worth it, if it's really worth what's written here. So let's get onto this video. Stay tuned, kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, as in give this video a like this video, share it with your friends. If you find it useful, you can share it with your friends. Yeah, so let's get on to this video. First of all, we're going to start with drawing our eyebrows. So the materials that we're going to use today, we're going to use a spoolie brush to comb our eyebrows. Then choose a concealer that's at least 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Then we're going to use a concealer brush and the Davis eye pencil. I'm using the number 18. Yeah, first of all, the first step in drawing your eyebrows, comb your eyebrows upwards and outwards, as I'm doing. Comb upwards and outwards to outline your eyebrows and bring that shape. And the second step that you're going to do is outline your eyebrows by drawing a line at the bottom of your eyebrows. Draw a line at the bottom of your eyebrows. Yeah. Then the third step, draw another line at the top of your eyebrows. Draw another line at the top of your eyebrows to outline your eyebrows. Yes. And the next step that you're going to do is fill in your eyebrows. Fill in your eyebrows, as in shade inside your eyebrows, as I'm doing. And by the way, guys, I have made previous video of an eyebrow tutorial video. So if you still have problems with drawing your eyebrows, you can comment down below so that I can refer you to my previous video, or I can still redo the video and do it in a simpler way so that you can get it. And so this is our outlined eyebrow, and let me repeat the same process with this other eyebrow and let's see the outcome. Yeah. And this is what we finally have. This is the outline of our eyebrows. And so the next step that you're going to do, we are going to clean our eyebrows. And today I'm using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm using my eyebrow brush to clean my eyebrows. Yeah. So the first step that you're going to do while cleaning your eyebrows, clean the bottom part of your eyebrows as I'm doing. Yeah, clean the bottom part of your eyebrows. It's that easy, by the way. And after cleaning the bottom part of your eyebrows, the next step you're going to do is clean the top part of your eyebrow. Yeah? It's very easy, by the way. When it comes to cleaning your eyebrows, it's the easiest step. Yeah, it's the easiest step, by the way. And so if you still have challenges in drawing your eyebrows, you can comment down below. I can redo an easier video, yeah, so that you can get this and you can also do this. And so finally, this is what we have after cleaning our eyebrows. This is what we have, the final look. And so now let's get onto the foundation review. And the first step, before applying your foundation, you're going to apply a face primer. This is what you apply before applying your foundation. And the purpose of our face primer is to prepare your face for makeup application. Yes, as in, after you use your primer so that the makeup or the product that you're going to use does not spoil your face. And another reason for using a face primer is that the face primer, it gives a good base for your foundation so that your makeup can stay on your face all day. Yeah, that's the purpose of a face primer. And finally, let's now get to the foundation review. And as you can see, I'm having two shades of the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. I'm having the dark shade and the medium shade. But as for me, I always use the medium shade. And by the way, when it comes to choosing the foundation shade, you have to choose a foundation that matches your skin tone so that you're not looking off like your face is yellow and your neck is black. When it comes to foundation, choose a foundation that really matches your skin tone so that, yeah. And so I'll be using the medium shade which matches my skin tone, and I'll be using a beauty blender to blend my foundation. And yeah, so let's get onto this. And as you apply foundation to your face, always apply little bits of foundation to your face, because it's always easy to add on to another foundation to your face than getting rid of excess foundation from your face. So apply little bits of foundation to your face so that if you feel that this foundation is not enough, you can always add another layer of foundation to your face. So apply little bits of foundation to your face. And so let's get to the product review. That's the review of this foundation. And first of all, let's blend so that you can see how its outcome, because the first one, it says it gives medium to full coverage. So let's see, does it really give full coverage, or is it just medium, or is it less? So let's blend and let's see the coverage. And before looking at the coverage, can you see how this foundation shade really matches my skin tone? Can you see how this foundation really matches my skin tone? And as I keep blending, it really blends so well. So my first review, I can say that this foundation really matches my skin tone. Yeah. Another experience that I've had with this foundation, I can say that after blending this foundation, it does not leave my skin looking cakey, because you can find with other foundations that I've tried before, after blending your foundation, you find that the areas, especially the areas around your nose, looks kind of cakey. I don't know how well I can put it, but sometimes with other foundations you find that the areas around your nose looks kind of cakey, but with this foundation I've never experienced that. So I can say that it leaves your skin looking flawless and not cakey. As you are blending your makeup, make sure that you're blending till the areas around your neck so that your face matches your neck. So yeah, blend till the areas around your neck. And as we keep blending, I can say that this foundation gives full coverage. Yeah, I can say that this foundation gives full coverage. As you can see, it has really blended out so well, though I'm not done with the blending.
Another good experience that I've had with this foundation that I actually think has outdone other foundations that I've tried before is that this foundation is very light in weight. I mean, when you have this foundation on, you don't feel like the foundation is adding some weight to your face. So I can say that the foundation is very light in weight. And by the way, you can try this and you can give me your feedback. And you can follow me on Instagram at chebi_creations, chebi_creations, and you can give me your feedback, or you can try and comment down below, on how you've experienced this foundation. I think we're done with the blending, and as you can see, my foundation has really blended out so well, and I can say that this foundation actually gives full coverage. As you can see, I'm trying to see if the foundation matches with my hands and my whole body, and as I can see, it has really blended out so well. And let's finish the makeup process by using this finishing powder, and I'm using the MAC finishing powder. And another experience, by the way, it's that this foundation is best for oily skin. Personally, I have a normal skin, but I've tried this foundation on my friends before while applying their makeup, so I can say it's best for oily skin. And you can try this and you can give me your feedback maybe on my Instagram, or you can comment down below on the comment section. And you can follow me on Instagram at chebi_creations, at chebi_creations. I'll be leaving a link on my description box so that you can follow me on Instagram. So let's finish the makeup process by applying some powder on. And the last review that I can give about this foundation, I can say that the foundation is waterproof. The Milani 2-in-1 foundation is waterproof. And what do I mean by saying that the foundation is waterproof? I simply mean that the foundation is formulated in a way that it resists moisture and stays in place all day whenever it's exposed to water or moisture. That's what I mean by saying that it's water. And here we're done with applying our powder, and let's move to applying lipstick. And I think we'll be done with doing our simple makeup. And that was it for the foundation review. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Kindly comment down below on what you think about this video. You can try this foundation on your own. You can try this and you can give me your feedback. You can give me your feedback on Instagram. And this is the final look that I've achieved of my simple makeup with the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and you can share this video with your friends. I guess it might also be useful to them, especially those who apply makeup, so it might be useful to them. So thank you so much for watching, and let's meet on my next video as we do a product review of product number 2. Bye.